Hey everybody, my name is Swati and I'm a marketing professional with over 13 years of work experience. Over the years, I've gathered many skills and I've always wanted to share whatever I learn, and now I'm finally at it. So let's dive right in. I just wanted to share with real world examples of how I use AI to work a lot more smarter these days. I will show you actual results that I have generated using various of these tools, all right? So let's first show you something that I actually created completely using AI, right? So, long back, like there used to be a time when marketing consultants or brand consultants or in general everybody who's finished their MBA wanted to create consulting like presentations, basically the way the big four creates. And I remember 10 years back, like I would spend hours trying to format the deck, making sure every different element is aligned, putting the deck on brand and so on. This is just an example of a case study that I was working on, and just look at the look and feel of this slide. And everything is generated using good right prompts, and I would have not taken more than half a day or maybe 2 hours of concentrated deep focused work to generate this. And literally, like all the projections, revenue projections, funnels, like how it has to be done, like everything was done with AI. So now let's understand how was this done, right? So I'll just talk to you about my workflow. I was given a case study, right? What I did then was first asked ChatGPT saying that you are an expert prompt writer, so please generate this prompt for me. Here is the business content, and I need case study problem, and I need to create a deck for it. So then it would give like a real respond, like a really good prompt, and it would actually then create. When I would then use the prompt again on ChatGPT, it would generate the entire content of that deck, like with outlines. So for example, if I were to just share with you how I did this. See, you're an experienced chief business officer and B2B growth strategist with deep expertise in this field. You are evaluating a you know strategic presentation. Just to show this prompt to you better, and perhaps I can also link it, right? This was actually generated by ChatGPT itself, right? The presentation attempts to answer this, your role is this, do not do all of this for each slide, share all of this, right? So complete outline and what all content. So then I think it would generate that content for me, slide by slide, exact summary, what will be there. Then title by title, what will be the points. And then what I would do is I would just come here on Gemini, and card by card I would just write over here, create a slide about, and write the first card's content, and it would literally create this in minutes. And I would just probably add the logo, right? Similarly, like create a content slide, like the code challenge, right? All of this from the prompt, take the text, put it here, and just write it, and it will generate it, right? And everything, like all the calculations that you have on Google Sheets, like literally you can just copy paste it, put it here, and it will generate it. Like how fabulous is that? And now coming to these renders. So one may think that I must have hired like a designer, or I must have done something on Canva, like how did I get these pictures? But all of this was done, I think, using Gemini and the Nano Banana feature in it that actually helped me create these images. So all that I said was, here's the logo of the brand, this is the insight that I have, and this is the product's photograph, and that's it. It just showed these images, and I think everybody was so impressed. Like people couldn't understand that how I could generate all of this using AI, but then it depends upon the quality of the prompt. you need to share the product image, the brand logo, maybe the brand colors. You can say the kind of image you want, whether it's an Indian girl, not an Indian girl, whatever, what's the kind of background, how much of personalization, and there you go, it would just generate all of this for you. So I hope that was really helpful, and yeah, that's about it for today. Thanks for watching.